In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between two popular AI video generators, Fliki AI and Lumen5. For your convenience, the links to both Fliki AI and Lumen5 are in the description below so you can try them out. Let's start with the features. Both Fliki AI and Lumen5 offer a range of powerful tools for creating stunning videos. Fliki AI provides advanced editing capabilities, including customizable templates, motion graphics, and text animations. On the other hand, Lumen5 is known for its user-friendly interface and easy-to-use editing tools, making it ideal for bloggers and content creators who want to quickly create engaging videos. When it comes to pricing, Fliki AI offers free plan while Lumen5 charge $29 per month. Now let's talk about the use cases. Lumen5 is best suited for bloggers and content creators who want to repurpose their blog posts into engaging videos quickly. Its intuitive interface and AI-powered tools make it easy to create professional-looking videos in minutes. On the other hand, Fliki AI is better suited for video creators and influencers who need more advanced editing capabilities and customization options to create unique and impactful videos. In conclusion, both Fliki AI and Lumen5 are powerful AI video generators with their own unique strengths. If you're a blogger looking for a user-friendly tool to create videos quickly, Lumen5 is the way to go. However, if you're a video creator or influencer looking for more advanced editing features and customization options, Fliki AI is the better choice. Click the link in the description to try Fliki AI and Lumen5 for free and see which one works best for your video creation needs.